Having a balanced bowl is vital to ensuring your bowl lives a long, safe, and productive life. Just like balancing the tires on your car, your bowl should be balanced on a regular basis. Centrifuges are heavy and spin at extremely high speeds to separate material, meaning an unbalanced centrifuge will not operate at peak efficiency and could even be dangerous. At typical operating speeds, an imbalance of just a few grams can pose serious risk. To keep operators safe and product quality high, centrifuges should be serviced to restore balance. There are many ways a bowl can be thrown off balance, including damage during an accident, galling and pitting as a result of normal operations, or any number of ways your centrifuge may have changed its shape and weight distribution during its important but stressful job. The first step, then, is a thorough inspection. This includes cleaning key components and performing a dye penetrant test to check for otherwise invisible cracks and pitting in the bowl. Once the inspection is complete and we have formulated an action plan for repairs, we will resize and machine components as necessary, consulting with the manual and our experienced technicians to make sure everything fits together as designed. While we've been doing this a long time, even we would have a difficult time seeing exactly what the bowl is doing while it's spinning at over 4,000 RPM. That is why we used a specialized piece of software that uses sensors mounted to the bowl to generate data on the balance of the bowl during operation. Once our sensors have been calibrated to your bowl, we can begin the balancing process itself. This process could last a long time, depending on the individual characteristics of the bowl. Our team of bowl balancing experts will then locate exactly where the weight is needed to balance the bowl within industry standard thresholds. Once we have figured out where the weight should be added, we will carefully machine off metal on the opposite side, which results in a balanced bowl. Each bowl brings a unique set of challenges, requiring attention to detail and experience to ensure they are balanced correctly and efficiently. Now that the bowl is balanced, we will clean the bowl completely and prepare it for shipment. Soon your rebalanced bowl will return to your facility, looking its best and ready to get back to work safely and efficiently. Bowl balancing is an essential component of centrifuge maintenance. When you send in your bowl for other repairs, remember that balancing the bowl will ensure it returns to you performing better than ever. You may be surprised how big a difference a bowl balancing can make, and you can rest easy knowing that it is much safer for your operators. Click the contact button at the top of our website if you are interested in balancing your bowl, or call us at 1-800-233-9022. We look forward to hearing from you.